Welcome back YouTube, VST here, this time with an interesting video, and you might already have guessed it by the title and also looking here. Yes, this is going to be a sound test between the Xiaomi 13 and the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Both are premium phones. This here is the top of the top. This here, of course, is not the most premium one because it's the Xiaomi 13, not the Pro version. And before I start, I need to address some very important things. The Samsung S22 Ultra here, speakers are tuned by AKG. And the previous Xiaomi 12 generation, 12 and 12 Pro, was tuned by Harman Kardon. And you know how these things goes, guys. Usually when you put a very big brand like AKG or Harman Kardon or whatever, JBL and etc., this kind of really attracts the customers. This whole sound tuning is actually done in some special labs where these brands working together with the sound companies really are sitting down together and trying to fine-tune the experiences. Sometimes, of course, it could be just down to some equalizers, right? So this fine-tuning is not always hardware. It could be some software, it could be some EQs, but of course you need to understand that putting a brand on a phone will just probably get the buyers a bit more exciting, or some buyers. But why do I mention this? Because this year the Xiaomi 13 didn't really get a cooperation or the speakers tuned by Harman Kardon. And when the Xiaomi 13 was announced, a lot of people were just asking themselves, hey, how can we do this without a Harman Kardon? Is it going to be any good or not? Even to a point where the Xiaomi CEO Lei Jun posted that, hey, the sound of the Xiaomi 13 series has been increased by 100%. So it sounds amazing every time I play games, listen to music, watch the movies, and of course I had to put this to a test. So guys, something before we start. Very, very important, both phones do support the Dolby Atmos. So this works not only when you're listening to your headphones, but also just when you're listening on the speakers, because they have a dual speaker setup. The Xiaomi 13 has a very big speaker grill on the bottom of the phone, and this here is the S22 Ultra bottom speaker grill. The upper speaker, guys, is so small I can even not show it to you. So with all of this said, guys, let's play some music. One, I'm just changing the preset, tune all the bands, and you guys let me know what you think. Is the Xiaomi 13 really sounding better than the King of the King, the S22 Ultra, or is the King of the King still able to beat the Xiaomi 13 and AKG tuning is really killing it? The volumes of both phones is adjusted to 100% for your listening pleasure, guys, and if you have headphones, you might as well want to put them. Let's start. The first track that I'm gonna play is this one. Alright, played on the Mi 13, now I'm gonna play the same track on the S22 Ultra. Alright, can you already notice something? If that's the case, guys, if you're so sensitive, pause the video and immediately type, yes, this phone sounds better, or this phone sounds better. Now, I'm gonna move to the second track, which is this one here. Alright, and now the same track on the S22 Ultra. I'm now gonna keep playing this track, but this time, guys, I'm gonna go back to the sound settings and adjust some of the bands and change some of the EQs so that we can just see what the Pro Sync does. Okay, now let's do the same on the S22 Ultra. Now let me choose another track and do the same, guys. I'll change slowly the bands and you will let me know what you think. Now let's start. Alright, let's play the same track here and do the same test. Guys, let me know what you think down below in the comments. And of course, I need to tell you my verdict. Honestly, it's gonna be short. The Xiaomi 13 absolutely destroys the S22 Ultra. Change my mind. VST over and bye.